Hey everybody, and welcome back to another vending video by Gumball Machine Warehouse. As you can see, we have a vending rack in front of us with one machine missing. So today we're going to show you how to attach a small machine to one of our vending racks. You see right here, we have our open spot. And the things you'll need is your gumball machine, your rack bracket, 2 screws, bolts rather, and your socket wrench, 10mm. Now we're going to take the base of our machine with the pole, just place that on the rack. And the next thing is you take your bracket and place it on the underside so it grips it. And you're just going to line that up with the front and back holes and go from the inside of the machine with those bolts and screw down into the rack bracket. To get those in there, you can go ahead and tighten it up with your socket wrench. Alright, so once your bracket is installed on the base, all you have to do is take the body with the mechanism of your machine, set it right over, and then you just place on the head of your machine and lock it up. And that's how you put a small machine onto one of our vending racks. Thanks for watching and happy vending.